Hey viewers, welcome to yours all-in-one channel, and here I Parth is going to start a series on Merchant of Venice. I will post every act and every scene every Saturday. So because of it is a very important topic for votes, so let's begin. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and press notification bell icon for latest updates. Merchant of Venice Act 1 Scene 1. Antonio is sad and despondent. Antonio is with Salanio, and Lorenzo in the street in Venice. Because of Antonio's sadness, his friends are guessing the reason to Antonio's sadness, which he himself doesn't know. Salarino guessed if Antonio's mind was tossing on the ocean with the ships, or it forms a beautiful scenery. Salerno guessed that he was worried about any risk in his business. Salerno, also by remembering church, reminds that dangerous rocks can break the delicate sides of the ship. It would result in scattering all spices on the stream and would suffer a heavy loss just in a second. Salerno guessed that Antonio was in love. Reason for Salerno and Salanio to leave was Bassanio's and Graciano's arrival. Actually, their own business called them on. Antonio's means see. Now, the main lines or the important lines which are often asked to quote from the text from Merchant of Venice are from Act 1 and Scene 1 are these, which is in blue box. So, means it is my own notes. So, please, it is not word by word same, but maximum words are copied from the textbook, and I made all my efforts to minimize it and to make it best for you. Antonio asked about lady whom Bassanio swore for a secret pilgrimage. Bassanio said that in Belmont there is a rich lady left who is fair and fairer than the world with wondrous virtues. She is told beautiful and courageous by saying Cato's daughter and Brutus' wife. Antonio had revived some fair, speechless messages too from her. Bassanio indirectly asked Antonio for second loan. Bassanio says that he had disabled his wealth on swelling ports and will guarantee that he will pay the first loan if he gives second loan. Antonio said he will grant second loan if his plan is as honorable as he is. But at last Antonio says that he has no ready wealth and has no commodity to raise present sum, but he can surely be a surety of repaying this loan if he borrows or take a loan from a source in Venice and tries that what Antonio's wealth in Venice can do to him. Thank you. Stay healthy. With best wishes, we will meet again on next Saturday. Parth, head of All-in-One channel. Thank you. It was my own notes which I prepared for myself and for you all. It was my best to minimize the important parts. So please like, subscribe and comment your doubts. So thank you.